13 Things Mentally Strong People Don't Do by Morin. Mentally strong means having control over thinking, behavior, and feelings. Here are 13 things mentally strong people don't do. Number 1. They don't waste time feeling sorry for themselves. People with this problem begin to feel sorry for themselves. People who suffer from self loathing consider themselves unlucky and disapproved. They seem to be complaining. These people don't like to sit in positive people. The solution is to get into the habit of positive communication. Number 2. They don't give away their power. Mentally strong people control their power. They don't let anyone spoil their mood. People whose power is used by other people, they have these signs. They are more influenced by criticism. Number 3. They don't shy away from change. Mentally strong people don't afraid of change. They accept the change. Some people can't sleep even in a good bed, and some people fall asleep somewhere. Some students can't write when they change their pen, and some don't care. Some people don't like moving home. Such type of people afraid whenever they think about change. They keep themselves in a comfort zone. Number 4. They don't waste energy on things they can't control. Mentally strong people keep their focus on things they can change. While mentally weak people want to change everything but themselves. They waste their energy on the things they can't control. These type of people are found on Facebook these days. They make the weird post and those who are mentally weak make strange comments to their post. Number 5. They don't worry about pleasing everyone. Mentally strong people have not the wish to please everybody because they know the fact that everybody cannot be pleased. Everyone has own thinking. They don't answer anyone. They say that the time will tell them. Number 6, they don't fear taking calculated risks. They don't take stupid risks, but they don't be afraid to take risks that are more likely to succeed than fail. Before making a decision, they think about pros and cons. Number 7, they don't dwell on the past. They don't waste their time in living past, nor do they want things to go their way all the time. Mentally strong people learn from their past and don't remember it over and over again. Number 8, they don't make the same mistakes over and over. They take full responsibility for their behavior. They learn from the past, never repeat their mistakes, learn from their mistakes, and make good decisions in the future. Number 9, they don't resent other people's success. Mentally strong people appreciates the achievements of others, nor do they think that someone else's success is their failure. They are willing to do their part. Number 10, they don't give up after failure. They don't see failure as a reason to give up. They want to keep trying until they succeed in their goals. Number 11, they don't fear alone time. They are not afraid of their silence. They made their loneliness pleasant. They are never dependent. Number 12, they don't feel the world owes them anything. Mentally strong people believe that nobody can harm them, while mentally weak people think that the whole world is against them. These type of people don't share anything, don't share their plans, they conceal everything. If you are truthful, then you will definitely be succeed. Number 13, they don't expect immediate results. They want to improve their health or trying to run their own business. They know that it will take time. They don't expect the immediate results. They use their skills and time wisely. Mentally strong people believe that the real change need time.